Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sannaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belgaum. So in today's lecture we will be discussing about Unit 3, that is doors and windows. So in this unit we will be covering 3 lectures. Those are lecture number 25, 26 and 27. So the content in these lectures are: what is the door, window and ventilator, the purpose, standard size of doors, windows and ventilators as per the codes, important types of doors and windows used in general, fixtures for doors, windows and ventilators. So now coming to the definitions of doors, windows and ventilator. So what is a door? A door may be defined as an open barrier as a framework of wood, steel, aluminium, glass, etc. of these materials secured in an opening. So here in this image you can see a door with its elements. So next, coming to window. A window is also an opening in the wall that functions to admit light and air to an enclosure and is often framed and spanned with glass mounted to permit opening and closing. So here you can see a type of a window. Next, coming to ventilators. Ventilators are provided for the purpose of ventilation in the room. These are provided for the exit of exhaust air, that is stored air. The purpose. The main purpose of door is to provide access to the inside the room of a building. It serves as a connection link between various internal portions of the building. It provides lights and ventilation to the rooms. It acts as a barrier to noise. It controls physical atmosphere. Used to screen area of building for aesthetic purpose. Purpose of windows: it admits light, provides fresh air and ventilation, visually enlarge interior space. Purpose of ventilators: provided for the purpose of ventilation. These are provided for the exhaust air exit. So next, coming to the standard size of doors, windows and ventilators as per IS codes. So here you can see the different recommended size of doors and windows. So the recommended sizes for windows, the location, the shutter size and masonry opening size is also mentioned here. Important types of doors and windows used in general. So in doors, first one is a ledge door. So this type of door is formed of vertical boards known as battens, which are secured by horizontal supports known as ledgers. So in this image you can see, the first image you can see a ledged door. Next is the lowered door. In this type of door, shutters are provided with lowers either fully or partially. The second image is of a lowered door. Next is the revolving doors. Revolving doors are only provided in public like museums, banks, libraries, etc. because of constant visitors. It consists of mullion at its center which rotates. Coming to windows. Same as the lowered door, a lowered window. The lowers may be made of wood, glass or metal. Bay window. These are projected windows from the wall which are provided to increase the area of opening, which enables more ventilation and light. So here in this image you can see a bay window. Dormer window. These are vertical windows on a sloped roof. These are projected from the sloping surface as shown in the image. So here In the third image you can see a typical dormer window. Fixtures for doors, windows and ventilators. So the following fixtures and fastenings are, so these are grouped below into hinges, bolts, handles and locks. So hinges, these are devices used to attach doors, windows to the frame. These are made of steel, brass, cast iron and aluminium. Bolts, these are fixed on external doors where padlocks are to be used. These are fixing on back and front face of doors. Handles, these are used to facilitate the opening of doors. They are manufactured in a variety of design. Locks, these are used in the doors for securing doors. Thank you.